I was in JIL Chemicals and was handling purchase over there. The role was fairly small. The spend that I was handling was close to about 100 crores. So a change would have been probably to move to a larger purchase role, which was obviously available in GCPL at that point. My spend that I was going to handle in GCPL was increased from 100 to about 350 crores. Within a year now it's about 1100 crores. So it's about a 10-fold increase in about 3 years. That's like a very good career move for what I think. We haven't heard of such shifts happening in other organizations where the employee himself gets to choose a different role that he wants to go into. So that's really nice for the employees here.
Basically, I'm a very adventurous type of person. The biggest dream I had was to do a cycling in European continent. The main worry was, who will allow you to be away from work for 30 days. However, this Loud really helped me to overcome both the worries. One of, being away from the work for 30 days and also, helping around 1.5 lakh, which is a big sum, which company gave me to fulfill my dream. I think it's wonderful.
Work-life balance, as they say, is critical at every point in time. But then after you become a mom, it becomes super critical. The basic things that really helped right from the start that I had a baby was, one was the 6 months maternity leave. The most friendly policy has been a work from home policy. When your seniors, when your colleagues, they really respect the fact that you have to balance out both sides of life, I think that's the best thing that can happen. And in Godrej, I think it's absolutely fantastic, because when I hear about my friends who are in other organizations and who had to leave work midways exactly because of this reason that they couldn't balance out, I think this is something I feel blessed and hope to see many more years of being a Godrej employee.
I have had a wonderful experience in this Godrej thus far. I have had a chance during this fulfilling but busy working experience to interact with some great people across the organization who have helped me to really understand entrepreneurship.
I was part of the international HR team at GCPL. Around that time, we launched the whole Godrej Capability Factors framework, and we started doing these workshops to take the framework to employees. And I had a chance to attend one of the workshops. It was very excellent. So I had this hunch that I can put together a workshop like this and try it out. They were more than happy to kind of give me the opportunity. They said, yeah, why don't we do a pilot? And we ended up doing the first workshop in October of 2012. And then it kind of started from there. It gives you this opportunity to explore these kind of spaces. If you can do work that you feel passionately about and also makes a difference to the organization, I think at Godrej, I very strongly feel you'll always find a place and an opportunity to kind of do it.
राजकोट में मैं था, पूरा सौराष्ट्र एरिया देख रहा था और मेरे को काफ़ी दिनों से अनकम्फर्टेबल महसूस हो रहा था। और जब मैं डॉक्टर के पास गया तो मेरी वाइफ मेरे साथ में थी, तो डॉक्टर साहब ने बोला कि आपके हस्बैंड की दोनों किडनियाँ ख़राब हो चुकी हैं। करीबन 1 से 2 महीने में मेरे पास जो 2.5 से 3 लाख की जो एक्स्ट्रा पूंजी थी वो सब इन्वेस्ट कर चुका था। उसी दौरान कंपनी से मेरे को करीबन 3.5 लाख रुपए कंपनी ने मेरे को मेडिकल क्लेम दिए। जब मैं ऑपरेशन होकर अपने घर आया तो कंपनी ने मेरे को पूरे 6 से 7 महीने घर बैठ के सैलरी दी और 6 महीने के बाद बोला आप अपने नेटिव प्लेस से फ़ोन पे काम करेंगे, अभी आप पेट पे नहीं आएंगे। और आज मेरे को जो सेकंड जीवन दान दिया है, आज मैं गोदरेज ग्रुप की वजह से आज मैं यहाँ पर बैठा हुआ हूँ, वरना था मैं तो खत्म हो चुका था।
Since the time I joined Godrej, I've had opportunities to work briefly across key teams in GPL. I've also had chances to be a part of cross-functional team where we've worked on various projects. Even in my own BD team, I've had opportunities to take up 2 very different roles. One in deal analytics, where I'm responsible for creating BD strategy for the entire country, and one in deal execution, where I'm responsible for achieving targets for Mumbai region. What is also quite significant is that even in my previous role in deal analytics, my superior made sure that my learnings on working on key deals was complete by giving me opportunities to work on deals across cities like Bangalore, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Chandigarh. So that my learning in BD team was not just restricted to my specific domain, but the entire learning was complete. I think this is truly a testament to how much the team here values our growth.